We have already checked out several affordable 16-inch laptops on the channel, and this one right here is another attractive option. The Honor Magicbook X16 is a mid-range 16-inch laptop that retails for under 3,500 ringgit and comes with several features that its competition doesn't. Here's my take on it after using for 2 weeks. The Magicbook X16 adopts the same metallic design language from other Magicbook models, where the Honor branding now resides at the middle of the chassis. The laptop has excellent build quality with no flexes on the magnesium alloy chassis, while it has a very reasonable weight of 1.75 kilograms. Similar to the competition, you get a really nice slim bezel 16:10 aspect ratio 16-inch IPS display that pushes a 1920 by 1200 pixel resolution. It covers 100% of the sRGB color space and has up to 300 nits of brightness, which is sufficient for working indoors. The display hinges also goes down to a 150 degree that allows you to use it while standing. With this updated hardware design, the Magicbook X16 does away with the nose cam and finally places the webcam on top of the display bezel, though it is sadly a pretty underwhelming 720p webcam and has no IR sensor for facial recognition. Fortunately, you do get a fingerprint reader that's embedded on the power button if you prefer logging into Windows with biometrics authentication. Port selection is decent on the Magicbook X16 as you get two full-size USB 5 Gbps ports, a full-size HDMI 1.4, and a USB-C 10 Gbps port that supports 65 watts fast charging. Though it isn't the best configuration among the competition, but you do at least save the need to purchase a dongle for connecting peripherals. Productivity users will appreciate the Magicbook X16's keyboard as it comes with a very spacious numpad. The keycaps are also large enough for a comfortable typing experience with decent key travel. It is also one of the most quiet laptop keyboards I've tested and is very suitable for office environment. To accommodate the large numpad keys, the backspace, enter, and right shift key are unfortunately shrunken in size, which some might not be happy of. It took me a while to get used to the keyboard layout, but there are still times that I still accidentally press on the wrong key. The trackpad isn't as large as I would like it to be, but it fortunately tracks well enough that doesn't force me to use an external mouse. My review unit is powered by a Core i5-1235U processor paired with 8GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 512GB of storage. The RAM isn't upgradable, but you can fortunately install a secondary PCIe storage if you need to expand the laptop storage. The laptop is a silent performer and I never hear the fans kick in even when I'm running multiple browser tabs. There also hasn't been a time that I find the working area heating up as well, and it is a very pleasant experience working on the Magicbook X16. If you own an Honor smartphone, the Honor Magic Link feature is a killer feature that can let you quickly connect your smartphone and transfer files. Honor has also included a very useful side panel feature that you can access by pressing the Function plus F11 key, which gives you access to a clipboard manager, document history, and shortcuts to features such as screen recording. The only issue I have with the Magicbook X16 is battery life, which even though Honor has equipped the laptop with a 60 watt-hour battery and claims up to 10 hours of usage on a single charge, I only managed to get up to 4 hours, which is a far claim from what the company claims. Although I love the convenience of USB-C charging, but this short battery life can be frustrating when you need to stay unplugged for the whole day. Otherwise, the Honor Magicbook X16 is a great 16-inch laptop that offers the necessary productivity features and performance that a student or office worker will appreciate. It retails at 3,499 ringgit in Malaysia, and I think it is a very decent price to pay for. Though there are quite a few options in the market right now, which you might want to do a little research before getting one. But if you have set eyes on it, go for it. It's a good laptop. So that's all for my review of the Honor Magicbook X16, so let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section down below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos coming right up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.